Molweni, ninjani namhlanje? Ndithemba ukuba ndiyaphila. Nenze ntoni namhlanje? Ingaba nifunde isiXhosa? Mna ndizame ukwenza ividiyo ngaphandle, kodwa namhlanje ayisebenzi kuba kuyana. In today's video, I want to talk about how to learn vocabulary really quickly if you need to. This might just give you the boost that you need to be able to make many sentences and understand more from context. So the vocabulary I stress is always verbs, being the basis of language and communication, and it will help you to really get ahead if you need a head start. This process or the technique I want to talk about is called spaced repetition. So basically you go over things at a specific time just before the brain's about to forget it. And this way you help push that information into the long-term memory. So what I would suggest doing is you select your number of words that you want to learn, and then you go over them whichever way you like. The more difficult is, of course, to look at the English and then try and think of the target language, the Xhosa equivalent. That's always harder than looking at the Xhosa and remembering what it means in English. So once you revise them, try from both sides to remember the other language equivalent. And then you set your timer, your alarm, for 10 minutes later. 20 minutes later is also good. And then you go over the words again. And then you set your alarm again for 4 hours later, 4 to 6 hours. And you go over the words again. And you'll notice that somehow they just sink in this way. So I'm going to put a list of the verbs that we've covered in the lessons until now in the description of this video. And then you can split it up into as many groups of vocabulary items as you like, and then try and learn them in this way. I'm going to add the root. So next to the root verb, I'm going to add the I am doing that form. So the long form with first person, so you can kind of get used to saying it like that as well, just for your ear to get used to not only the root but also how it's used then when you conjugate that for the first person. Good luck, and I hope it is useful to you.